Now, using the concept studied in previous video, we are going to calculate the capacitance of a parallel plate capacitor. It is a very important topic, both from the competition exam point of view and from the 12th point of view also, 12th board's point of view, because in the 12th board, in the textbook, you will find that almost everything in the capacitance is all about parallel plate capacitor. So it's an important topic for both kind of students, regular as well as preparing for JEE. Now we'll take a parallel plate system, so we will have two plates, say X and Y. This time we will take X and Y instead of A and B, because we are getting bored of A and B now. So let us say these are the two plates X and Y separated by a distance of B. Now if X in this plate, if X if minus Q charge is given to the Y plate, then it will induce a charge plus Q here, because the D is small. In a parallel plate capacitor, in physical applications also, the D is made very small, so you can write it here that D is small. So because of this, if we give minus Q charge on Y, it will induce a plus Q charge on plate X. Now we have already studied in the previous videos that both the charges will exist only in the inner surface of the plates. To understand why this happens, you have to refer to the earlier videos in electrostatics. So in this condition, C, we can directly come to C equals to Q upon Vx minus Vy, because X is positive, electric field will be like this. So Vx minus Vy. So for plate A, E will be equal to Q upon A epsilon naught. This we have studied already. So Vx minus Vy will be equal to Ed or Qd upon A epsilon naught. Now directly using this in the formula of capacitance, we get C equals to Qd upon A epsilon naught, or C equals to A epsilon naught upon D. This is a very important formula, because we are going to use parallel plate capacitors in a very important way in many applications. So you have to remember this formula. So C equals to A epsilon naught upon D. And if suppose we have some dielectric field between the two plates, if there is dielectric, if a dielectric of dielectric constant epsilon r is filled between X and Y, then in that case C will become equal to A epsilon naught epsilon r upon D. So both of these equations you should remember, they are very important.